Hello, I'm Zulandi, a digital content creator. Believe authenticity is key, and a good creator must listen to the audience. Today, I am promoting the eco tumbler for the #Zero Waste Life campaign. Have you ever wondered how many plastic bottles you throw away? This eco tumbler is more durable than glass and easier to clean than ordinary stainless steel. Its effect is completely different from single-use packaging. As a content creator, it is believed by many that small daily choices lead to big change against a successful campaign is built on genuine storytelling. If you switch to an eco-friendly tumbler, you will reduce plastic waste significantly. Step 1. If I only focused on likes, I would lose my authenticity. Step 2. If I had started using reusable products earlier, I would have inspired more fuel-free. Step 3. I wish very few realized that being eco-friendly is easier than it seems. So, why not start your zero waste journey today?